Pit Senior. Musaka diri guro babaw. Ang kauban no. Kay di ba ni anak to musaka sa amlan? Ana, maogyod ni diri be. Attendance.
Hi, ma'am. Senior.
Senior. Late to late.
We come together to celebrate you. Our Contempo Property Holdings Incorporated and Sunbury Homes, dear partners. Our community grows stronger because of your unwavering support. And this special event is dedicated to you and your hard work.
Thank you.
Fresh opportunities
Hello,
and
sorry.
endless possibilities greet us into the new year. Especially now that the vibrant Sinulog Festival fills us with hope. Hope in honoring our faith and partnerships. We can continue to achieve milestones together. This afternoon,
Pit Senior.
Viva Pit Senior! Thank you very much for your very amazing energy, no? Very infectious kayo energy, Miss Roshi. Viva Pit There we have it, everyone. A look back of all the different projects. Yun din na kayo mga site visit. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, let me extend my warmest Sinulog greetings and my heartfelt appreciation to our dear brokers, our agents and partners, and most especially our beloved members of the media, and all our guests who are present today. The Sinulog Festival is not only a time of celebrating our faith.
We are in touch with so many people who will actually tell more about us. And the reason for this is naka-recognize that that we have to elevate our relationship together. Hala, okay mo? Hala, ako ka doon mo. Yes! Diba? So you are very, very important. So today, it's really a very great privilege that we celebrate shared dreams that drive Contempo Property Holdings and Sunbury Homes. Ang kanyang akong theme, Move Up Together, akong i-explain, it actually induk ka
celebration here, our appreciation day for this middle season. So we appreciate each and every. Yun mga o raffle giveaway for today. So I'd like to call on once again the team over here from Contempo Property Holdings and Sunbury Homes Inc. Everyone, kindly please raise your glasses. Ladies and gentlemen, we also like to offer the team here to raise their glasses as a symbolism for the wine toasting that we have for today. As we raise our glasses for the toasting, we toast to long